Choosing the correct size of your master cylinder, the internal bore, which moves the hydraulic fluid, the brake fluid, will determine the brake feel in your brake system. So a bigger internal bore will move more fluid, but it will make the pedal harder and the pedal will not move as long as a smaller internal bore would. So if you're using a smaller internal bore, the brake pedal will feel softer, but you will need to move it a longer distance. But the smaller bore will give you more power, more movement, but you will be stronger because of the hydraulic lever. So bigger bore, shorter distance. Smaller bore, longer distance. Bigger bore, more fluid will be moved in the same distance as a smaller one. And a smaller bore will move smaller amounts of brake fluid than the bigger bore. So this is the case when you're using different kind of internal bores in your master brake cylinder, that the feel is determined by the internal bore. And the three different bores are 0.625, 0.7 and 0.75, where the first 0.625 mostly used for the front brakes. You can also use 0.7, but the 0.7 is mostly used on your rear brakes, and the 0.75 is used to your clutch. This is some kind of standard setup, but as you go up in brake piston size, you would also need to go up in master cylinder size, because the fluid has to be enough to push the brake caliper pistons out and push over your brake discs.